President Joe Biden proposes new rules for Medicare enrollment. Hey, what is going on YouTube? Welcome to our show where we discuss what is actually happening in this country. We talk about stimulus check, SNAP benefits, pandemic EBT information, Social Security raises, and even some daily news. And we can't leave out all the giveaways we're doing on this channel. We have so much to talk about concerning Medicare, some updated stimulus check information, and some exciting news about Twitter. If you like this channel and like what we're doing, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all the news that is actually going on. And while you're at it, go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. So Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services aims to eliminate delays in new Medicare coverage, expand special enrollment periods. They're wanting to really cover everybody and make the process a lot faster. There was something in this article that truly touched me, because this is how I truly feel about some things, and this is exactly what it said. Healthcare is not just about mending bones or dispensing pills. It's about giving people peace of mind that comes when having coverage when you need it. Guys, that truly touched me, because there's nothing worse than trying to get help and you don't have the coverage. You don't actually get the relief that you guys need. And to me, when I read this article, I was like, man, that hits home. That is amazing. I love it, because healthcare is not about mending bones and just dispensing pills. It's about that peace of mind, not having to worry whether you're covered or not. But let us know down in the comments if you've been delayed on getting the help that you need. I truly believe you should be getting the help that you need, because you guys deserve it. You live in America, one of the best countries in the whole world. Why are we not providing healthcare coverage for every single person and making it simple, fast, and reliable, so that way when you guys need it, you don't have to go through the hassle, don't have to go through all that crazy trouble. Listen guys, I hope that the Biden administration gets their things together, because they're literally proposing new things in their infrastructure bill to get the process a lot faster. No one should go without health care or being able to get the help that you need. Medicine should not cost you an arm and a leg. Guys, listen, there are 31 million people in the United States as of today that do not have health care. That is sad. That is literally disheartening, because things literally are crazy right now. There's no reason for people not to have coverage. The United States should create a process that if you can't afford it, if you can't get it, no problem, no worries, we're going to take care of you guys. That's what they should be saying. Isn't their job to help the American people out? Isn't their job to take care and make sure that there's systems in place to help people? I just hope that they get their things together and literally work things out for the better of the people, to take care of this great country that we live in and the people that live in it as well. So I came across some news that has really got so many people divided, because you got one side saying one thing and you've got another side saying another. Here's what the article says. Should judges set public health policy? Americans are divided on mask mandate. There are so many people literally that are divided, because some people say you have to wear a mask, and there are others that are saying it's my free choice. Let us know down in the comments what you think should happen. Should you have the free choice, or should the judges create a policy where you don't have a choice, you have to wear a mask? And if you're like me and you hate wearing masks, then smash that like button to let us know. Americans boarding planes and trains can now decide for themselves whether to wear the mask or not, thanks to the ruling last week by a U.S. District Court judge blocking the federal travel mask mandate. Though the Justice Department has since appealed the decision, the ruling stands in the meantime. For now, it's okay. You can decide to wear it, or you don't have to wear it. It's your personal decision. Polls show, though, that a majority of Americans supported the travel mask mandate, suggesting that the latest decision is likely less popular than it might appear. Beyond causing some people to rethink their travel plans, though, the ruling raises another fundamental question. Who should set a public health policy in the United States? It seems crazy that health policy is made by a judge and not a healthcare and health policy professional. Think about it. Why would a judge create a policy? Shouldn't it be a healthcare and health policy professional who truly understands what is going on and the things that consist with spreading the virus? Who's making the call here? Guys, this is really starting to get crazy when you have people stepping in to create policies who do not understand even the things that are going on. Here's what I found interesting that was really eye-opening, and it made a lot of sense. It underscores how this mask thing has become more political and legal than merely about the best available science for public safety concerns. This is turning into a political debate rather than a science public safety concern. It's literally people are more concerned about the political rim of it than understanding that this is meant to protect people. This is meant to keep people from getting the virus. What does politics have to do with keeping someone from getting sick? That, my friend, raises an eyebrow to figure out what is going on in our country. Listen, I'm glad I wasn't the only one that was thinking this is a little crazy. Look, it looks like, and if you agree with me, smash that like button and let me know that yes, I agree with you, because it seems that when President Joe Biden got elected, COVID almost disappeared. It's like overnight it was gone. Never even heard about it again. Listen, guys, when Trump was in presidency, all you heard was COVID this, COVID that, and it's President Trump's fault. But when President Biden got elected, you don't really hear about it anymore. Listen, on this channel, we're neutral, so please bear with me. I'm just giving you guys the facts on what everybody's saying, and you can let us know from your own personal opinion what you think, because I know I'm not the only one who literally has thought the same thing. Let us know your thoughts and comments on that exact situation down in the comments below. So now on to stimulus. Stimulus check update. Governor wants fast-track payments. While no other federal legislation has been passed to provide Americans with a fourth stimulus check, one Democratic governor recently announced legislation that will fast-track a payment to all eligible states. He is literally trying to get eligible residents paid. Like he's trying to get this out. On Monday, Colorado Governor Jared Polis, the state legislature proposed the Colorado Cashback Program, which will provide eligible residents with a $400 payment this summer. The announcement by Polis comes amid a rise in inflation across the United States, with a report from the Labor Department showing that inflation increased by 8.5% in March compared to the previous year, which was the highest literally 40 years. But the Colorado Cashback Program will provide a flat amount of $400 for a single filer or $800 for a joint filer. The proposal being introduced as the legislature will give immediate relief to those that live in Colorado, providing tax refunds by September 15th of this year. Instead of the spring of 2023, the statement from Polis, which is what the office said, that all eligible people that live in Colorado who filed their income tax will receive their rebate directly in the mail in August or September. So if you're literally trying to get some relief and you live in Colorado, you need to get your taxes filed by September 15th in order to claim a rebate directly in the mail by August or September. So guys, jump on that. Make sure you get that done so you have a chance to get a rebate check. All right, guys. So what about Elon Musk buying Twitter? He is now able to tell who is allowed to be on there and who's not allowed. Most of you know that President Donald Trump was kicked off Twitter. But here was some interesting news. He said, Donald Trump, that even with Elon buying it, he wouldn't go back. I think him and Twitter had to say their goodbyes, and they ain't going back. I think somebody wrote a song that says we are never getting back together or something like that. But you know, I honestly think that he will because he loves Twitter. He loves saying something. And that is a platform that he's used to say a lot of crazy stuff. I mean, listen, he can. He's $1 billion. You know what I'm saying? He's a rich man. I'm joking. He shouldn't be able to do that. But listen, hopefully this time if he comes back, his comments will be more clean. But let us know what you think about that down in the comments below. All right, guys, I hope that this information helped. We want to do a part on this channel and help you guys out. We know that anything helps. So we've decided to do a lot of giveaways on this channel. If you want to get a free sock with Robinhood, the link is down below. And if you want to get 5 free socks with Weevil, we've also provided the link down below. Everyone wanted a Visa gift card. So for your chance to win, you have to smash that like button and comment the word Visa gift card for your chance to win. It's free. You don't have to do anything else. And after a few videos, we will do another giveaway. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. You guys are truly the best. Stay tuned for more videos to come. And until next time, I'm John Miro. Peace.